All right, for this one, our domain looking left, this is a cube root function. If I look to the left, I see it keeps going left forever. And if I look to the right, I see it keeps going right forever. Okay. So again, this one is going to be all real numbers. I'm just going to put our fancy R for all real numbers. For interval, again, it's going to be from negative infinity to positive infinity. You'll find that a whole lot of our domains are always all real numbers. So if in doubt, if you just can't figure it out and you have to make a guess about domain, choose all real numbers. All right, and then our set, let's make it fancy. Curly brace, x such that x belongs to the real numbers. Just a fancy way of saying the same thing that we already said. Let's take a look at the range. For our range, how low does it go? So I realize that this graph is flattening out, but it will continue to go down forever. It's going down very slowly, but it does continue to go down forever. Same thing about going up. It's very slow because it's really flattening out here, but it is going to continue to go up forever, just very, very slowly. But you know what? It's going to go on to infinity. So our range this time is also all real numbers. Same thing with our interval notation from negative infinity all the way up to positive infinity, eventually. Well, I guess not eventually, that is infinity after all. Alright, let's make it fancy. Curly brace. Y such that y belongs to the real numbers. That's it.